Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an attendance sheet on Google Sheets, of course. So have this table ready up. For instance, it's for your workers or your students, whatever, and select every cell that's here. Then you're just going to select insert and you're going to select checkbox. And on the days worked or the absences, just type in this formula, equal sign, count if, select from this cell to this cell, comma, quotation mark, true, quotation mark, close parentheses, and entered. And it's going to be 0 because I haven't ticked it. So for instance, Taylor worked from Monday to Friday. So days worked 5. And Katie only worked till Thursday, and Ben didn't work on Monday and Friday, and Alice only worked like that. And as you can see, it's just going to change the numbers of the days worked. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.